Welcome back to Embellish Home with Felicia. It's great to be back. So in today's video, I am showing you how I DIY'd a accent marble drink table. Now I've been seeing these drink tables all over social media and in the furniture stores. So I thought, why not try to DIY them? They can get pretty expensive. So let's jump into this DIY. So I picked up this marble cutting board for $6.99. I picked it up at Ross and just removed the stickers. Make sure you have wood that is smaller than your marble piece. Then I picked up this wood round from Dollar Tree. Okay friends, next I took a sheet of paper and then I folded it in half and then folded it in half again, and we created a quarter fold because we're trying to find the center point of the circle on the wood. So now that we have the center point, I'm going to take the circle and line it up with the wood. So next we're just going to take a marker and mark the center on the wood. So here I just took some acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the wood. Make sure you can still see the center point because we're going to need that later. And then took a blow dryer and blow dried it. So I picked up a 5/8 inch spade bit from my local hardware store. So now we're taking the wood round and we took our spade bit, attached it to the drill and drill right in the center where we made the mark on the wood. Now as you can see, this circle was not a clean cut. My drill broke right in the middle of this video, but we got a new one and kept going. Okay friends, so next I used 200 grit sandpaper just to try to smooth that out a little bit. And I'm also going to use sandpaper in the inside of the opening because I want to make sure that it's going to be smooth enough for the next step. Okay friends, if you are enjoying this DIY, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. It let me know you enjoy and like this type of content. Okay friends, we're back at the thrift store and I found this wrought iron handmade, made in Mexico candle holder for $3, and it looks like the inspirational photo. It disconnected in two pieces. It was perfect because I'm only going to use the bottom for this DIY. Okay friends, so here I have separated the two pieces of the candle holder, and as you can see, the base that's going to hold up the marble circumference is about 5/8 of an inch, so that's why I chose the 5/8 spade bit earlier. Okay, so now let's take the wood round and see if it fits the base of the table, and it does, so we're moving on to the next step. Okay friends, so now I am taking the marble and then taking the wood round and just roughly measuring just to make sure that I have it centered all the way around the marble. Friends, I'm taking my strong adhesive, make sure it can bind wood and marble, and we're going to put a generous amount, and I'm going to put this round plate right in the center of the marble. You're going to make sure this is centered because that will be important on the next step. Okay, this is 24 hours later, and as you can see, this is a strong bond. Okay, we're on the home stretch, so now I am going to take a strong adhesive. I use JB Weld. You want to make sure you follow all safety precautions, and basically I mix equal parts in a little container and start to mix it up until it got a dark color gray consistency, and then put a generous amount. I overfill the hole because this is where the base of the table is, and we want to make sure it's very secure. Okay friends, I just took the marble and wood round and turned it upside down and placed it right on the center of the base, which is that rod. And I'm showing here, see how much excessive adhesive is oohing out? So I wanted to make sure I had enough in that hole. And now I'm just taking my fingers and I am wiping the excess off because we don't want this to look like a DIY. Okay friends, next, the last step, I'm taking the leveler and just make sure that it is leveled. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Okay friends, I let this sit for 24 hours and there we have it, our little DIY accent drink table. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching Embellish Home with Felicia. Please check out my other DIY marble accent table, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider. I have new content coming with some other DIY tables and home decor. If you're on a budget, this is for you. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.